In front of me is Apple iPhone 12 Pro, and let me show you how to set up the following device. So at first you have to unlock your phone and pick a language that you would like to have your device in. In my case that would be English, so just let me locate English, then you can pick the region. And that's it. Now you can either pick quick start, so it's a quick setup and it will be done automatically, or you can set everything up manually, and this way I will show you. So at first you need to connect to some Wi-Fi. Now wait a couple of seconds. Now just read data and privacy policy and tap on continue. Then you can set up Face ID now if you want to, but you can also do it later via settings, and I will do it later. We can set some quick passcode, maybe 88888. Use anyway, even though it's quite easy to guess. And now you can choose how you want to transfer apps and data to this phone. You can do it from iCloud backup, from Mac or PC, directly from another iPhone, from Android, and you can also choose the last option, which is don't transfer apps and data, and I will pick this one. Here you can set up your Apple ID. If you don't have one, you can smoothly create it, but I will skip it right here and I will set it up later in settings. Don't use. You can smoothly activate it via settings later. Tap on agree if you do agree with all the terms and conditions. You can keep your iPhone up to date by activating automatic updates right here. As you can see, iMessage and FaceTime will make your life easier, but I will not manage it right now, so just click on not now. Here you can enable or disable location services. It's up to you. I don't know what you want to set it up, how you want to set it up, but I will pick disable location services. Obviously you got Siri here, so it's the feature which helps you get things done just by asking. So you can smoothly ask Siri about anything, and then you will be provided with some proper answer. But I will also set up Siri later. You can activate or deactivate screen time. Let me have it on. And also you can turn on iPhone analytics, so you can share your data with Apple. It will help the developers, but I will not share it right now. And also you can activate True Tone display if you want to. And finally you can pick between light or dark mode. Both are pretty amazing, but I will stay with light. Tap on continue and decide if you want to have zoomed display on this or the standard one. I will stay with the standard one, and that's it. You've just activated your iPhone 12 Pro. Just swipe up to get started, and here it is. You can unlock it at first. It was 8 only, and your apps are loading. I will just change the brightness at first, and now you can customize everything. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.